Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use Discord's new V2 components in your bot, step by step. It's way easier than it sounds, so no stress. First, head over to the GitHub repository. You'll find the link in the description or in the comments section of this video. Once you're there, open the releases page and download the code. If you prefer, you can also use other methods to grab the source. It's totally up to you. Next, open the code folder in your File Explorer and then open it in your favorite IDE. Once it's all set up, fire up the terminal and run npm-i to install all the necessary packages. Easy, right? Just a couple of clicks and you're ready to roll. Now, rename the file to .env. If you want to create a new Discord app, head over to the developer portal. Click the New Application button and give your app a name. You can also customize the app. Next, copy the application ID and paste it into your .env file. Then, go to the bot section and make sure to enable the necessary intents. After that, reset the token, copy it, and paste it into your .env file as well. All set and ready to go. Finally, run the ZarCodeX file. Once it's up and running, your app will be online and ready to use inside Discord. Just like that, boom, you're live. Now, to invite the app to your server, you can use this handy tool. The link's in the description. Just paste your app ID, click on Generate Invite Link, and boom, your bot's ready to join your server. There are plenty of ways to use Discord's new V2 components, and most of them are fully explained in the repository with clear examples. Take your time to explore the different setups. You'll see how each component works and how they can interact with each other. Feel free to experiment with various commands that leverage these new V2 components. Try mixing and matching them, or even combine them in creative ways to make your bot more interactive and fun. The best part is, this code is fully modular. That means adding new features, modules, or custom commands is super easy. You can expand your bot step by step, without having to rewrite the whole thing, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. So definitely dive into the repo, play around, and don't be afraid to test out your own ideas. The possibilities with V2 components are pretty gnarly once you get the hang of them. And that's it! Your bot's all set and ready to roll with Discord's V2 components. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, so you don't miss out on future videos. Catch you in the next one, and happy coding, dudes!